Hi, my name is Zara. In this video, I'll be showing you how to view your TDMS file format data on FlexLogger using the TDMS viewer. So here I have a TDMS file already generated from our previous test, and I'm going to go ahead and double click it. The TDMS viewer is available for both FlexLogger Pro and FlexLogger Lite. On this laptop, I'm using FlexLogger Pro, and this is what the TDMS viewer will look like. So as you can see, you can do a variety of different analyses on this TDMS viewer. One thing I'm going to do is just drag the temperature data onto the graph, as well as the light sensor data. And as you can see, they have very different values. And one thing we can do is just right-click the y-axis, click y-axis, then N y-axes, and this will allow us to overlay the data with different y-axes. You can also just zoom in and out, go back and forth in time based on your data, and do a variety of different operations into the graph portion itself. One thing we can also see is that once we click the temperature sensor or any other channel, we can also preview the graph right here. And we can see what device we have used here and our configuration. One thing to note, the light sensor length is much higher than the temperature sensor length, and this is because we logged our temperature data at a very slow sample rate compared to the light sensor data. Despite that, FlexLogger is able to overlay the two different graphs very easily. One thing we can also see is the metadata. So right here, we can see that the metadata that we collected, I labeled it as batch 2 for the different types of light sensors, is right here. And we can use this to differentiate the different sensors that we're testing into the TDMS file viewer. And this is how you can review your data as well as analyze it on the TDMS viewer through FlexLogger. Thank you for watching.